Here is our preview video for Thursday, December 10th. Let's start with the learning menu. We're going to start with math, and we're going to be doing more with factors and learning about prime and composite numbers. And I'll show you the exit ticket so you can see what it's going to look like. So you're going to need to use some reasoning to figure this out. Is 2 a factor of 34? In the blue box, yes or no. And then the yellow box, explain why it's yes or no and why you think so. We know that 34 is a factor of 2 because 34 is even, and every even number is divisible by 2. So we're going to learn some divisibility rules that will help you. We know 3 is a factor of 72 because 7 plus 2 is 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So that's a reason we know that 3 is a factor of 72. Okay? I know that 3 is not a factor of 34 because I know that 3 times 10 is 30, and 3 times 11 is 33. So you can use your knowledge to answer those questions. We'll have snack, and then for grammar, we're going to do Thursday homophones. We have a 5-minute homophone video, and our Thursday homophones are task cards, and it's a Google form. Make sure you write your first and last name with the capital letters, and then Bianca has to the bread and then let it rise. So need, or need. Okay. So you have choices A, B, and C for all of these. So I'll go down to show you how many you have to do. There are 20. Okay, so that is homophones. Then we have a special, and ours is art. And after lunch, we're going to do the integrating information again. And we're going to read another book about Martin Luther King Jr. So we're going to review what it means to integrate information. And then you're going to read My Brother Martin. And you're going to complete 2, 4, and 5. It's important to read 1 and 3 to know what to fill in for number 2. It has to be between 1 and 3, and then 4 and 5. And now you're going to try to fill in these boxes and integrate all the information. So you can go back to your previous Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday to fill in these sections. You can cut and paste, or copy and paste, I should say. And then from this slide, you can copy and paste into these to help you do your summary. So that's Thursday, integrate information. For writing, we're going to use information from text features. And there's a graph about ice cream, and there's a timeline about the Titanic. You get to pick one of those, and we're going to work on creating well-developed paragraphs. So we're going to have 2 days for this, so we'll have plenty of time to do all of your work. After recess, it actually says science. I should change that to social studies. Studies. And you're going to rewatch the entire Bill Nye, the Science Guy video. And then you're going to go back to Tuesday and open up your video guide. You did the before questions, which is where you predicted what your best guess to complete these 15 questions. After watching the video, now, and it's going to tell you, so I didn't answer all of these on my example, but it shows you before watching, because if I look at my before, I picked thousands. So after watching, before it was thousands, what is my video answer? Is it the same answer or a different answer? So you'll get to see what it is, okay? So you're going to watch the video again, and then you're going to complete the watching questions. to see if they're the same or different from your before watching. And the video is here for you to rewatch, but you'll have to go back to Tuesday to get to the after questions. And that's our Thursday. So we're hoping you're having a wonderful afternoon on this Wednesday, and we'll see you right and early Thursday morning.